Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will record short video about how to name or label dependencies between tasks. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. So, for example, we have few dependencies between tasks, right? Like this one or like this one. To give them a name is very simple. For example, we have this task group. Task group will be this part. Then we add just the function label and some information. Then we have another task like branch selector, this one, and then we can give dependencies the name like this one, label some dep info 222. It can be very useful to give a user some information about the relationship between tasks. To use this function label, you need to import it from Airflow utils h modifier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.